Dr. Yemaya Bordain, welcome to the stage.
Hello, good afternoon. In civil aviation, here's the central problem. A fleet operator must strike a balance between maximizing capacity to meet demand and maintaining safety standards while considering the economic viability of operations. And today's technology can improve any one of these variables of safety, cost, or capacity, but at the risk of compromising at least one of the other variables. So the goal then is to move this envelope in all three axes simultaneously. This is where we believe new technology is required, and so we are using AI and machine learning in order to solve this problem. So we deliver what we call situational intelligence. This goes beyond the mere situational awareness. It's the ability to not only understand the current situation in state space, but also anticipate the future and react to potential threats. This is where the power of machine learning is realized. The AI-enhanced cockpit processes large amounts of data in a short time. It finds the best solution available at that time for the task at hand. It can also perceive, assess, and make sense of new situations given very little data, which shortens decision-making timelines. So we see the world in these levels or stages of autonomy. From 0, which is where we are today, we didn't bother putting it on the screen, all the way up to level 5. We do not believe that every ConOp is meant to be fully autonomous. We give some examples here of where we think that some ConOps could fall on the spectrum of autonomy. A level 1 ConOp could be HIMSS, okay, for air medical services. Here, the AI would maintain flight safety and identify the safe landing spots for remote medical assistance in difficult locations and challenging conditions. Flight schools, so the AI co-pilot would aid students by ensuring safe landing. If landing can be assisted by AI or even fully outsourced to AI, it could significantly reduce the amount of flight hours necessary to complete pilot training. Law enforcement. So here, a level 3, AI co-pilot assists the helicopter pilot by ensuring flight safety while the pilot is focused on high-speed pursuit or tracking perpetrators or gathering intelligence. This is where you may be able to move to single pilot operations. This is where it could be viable. Level 4, advanced air mobility. So we think that urban air mobility probably will land at a level 4. We believe that there will always be a human that's monitoring the system. And then finally, level 5. We actually, as we thought through ConOps, we found that there are not that many ConOps that are appropriate for level 5 full autonomy. And so we give an example here of cargo for transoceanic, below shipping at low speed, high reliability, or low cost. So these are examples where the airspace, the routes are extremely predictable, and it's a relatively low risk airspace. So going back to this problem statement and where we are driving tomorrow, technology will no longer be limited to improving any of the variables of safety, cost, or capacity at the expense of at least one of the other ones. We'll be able to move that envelope on all three axes simultaneously with our AI-enabled situational intelligence. And so we believe that in rapidly changing dynamic environments, there has to be some artificial intelligence. Okay, thank you so much.